the Sleddog Buddy, and it fits in the back of your SUV. Very handy. Made in Canada, runner.ca. This guy's out of Winnipeg. He makes it himself. Good quality steel, good quality parts. Chinese motor, but who cares? Keeps the price down if you want to change out your motor later. I haven't had any issues and I've been running it like crazy. It's called Sleddog Buddy. It's a mini version. We're gonna test it out. We're gonna put it through his paces. This is 2025, first real property day. Yeah, let's get it on. We're gonna get the Sleddog out. First off, I got this thing here. So I just put it down like this. Here we go. There's the seat attachment. I've taken off these so I could get it in my SUV. That's okay. So you just make sure you got a wrench on you or something. Connected on there. It's all ready to rip. Here we go. One quick connect on. We're gonna do the other side. With these, apparently, you get up to 30 kilometers on, oh, it's full. 30 kilometers on a tank of gas, apparently, up to there. So basically, you fill this up once, you're gonna be pretty good for your day. Turn the gas on. Choke's on, but I don't think I'm gonna need it. Okay, we're ready to go. We're gonna rip.